Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you're probably excited about securing your assets. Today, I'm walking you through how to withdraw XDC from Exmo to your Ledger Nano X. This step-by-step guide will help you move your funds safely and efficiently, keeping your investments protected in this fast-evolving landscape. Why bother? Well, with hacks on the rise, storing your XDC on a hardware wallet like Ledger Nano X is a smart move to avoid risks on exchanges. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer and connect your device. It should be running the latest firmware. 2025 might bring new security patches, so double-check that. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Use two-factor authentication for extra security. It's a must in 2025. Once you're in, head to the Wallets section and select XDC from your list of assets. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button next to XDC. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. This is where you need your Ledger Nano X address. On your Ledger device, open the XDC app, install it if you haven't already, then go to the Receive function to display your address. Copy that address carefully. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Step 3. Paste the address into the Exmo withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, but remember to leave room for network fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to network upgrades. Review everything twice, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email and possibly a text. Don't skip verifying these. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Ledger Nano X for the incoming funds. A quick tip: always use official sources and enable all security features. In 2025, with advanced threats like quantum risks, staying vigilant is key. If you run into issues, check Exmo's Help Center or Ledger's support. There you have it. Your XDC is now safer than ever. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay secure out there.